Next we can see the procedure of intradermal injection. Explain the procedure to the patient like every other procedure, that is to get the cooperation and confidence of the patient. Then take the medication from the container and check the label on the medication and medication card to avoid mistake and for patient safety. Then we have to wash hands to avoid cross contamination and select the appropriate size syringe and needle. In case of intradermal injection, we have to select 1 ml syringe and needle of 26 gauge and check whether they are in good working condition. That is to load the medication, and also mix well and prepare the medication from the vial or ampule for the drug withdrawal. Apply clean gloves, that is for safety. Select the site, and while selecting the site, select site that are non-tender, inflamed or swollen, and also exclude the areas where there is rich blood supply, or if there is visible vein, exclude that site, and if there is any skin infections present, that site also you should exclude. Clean the site using a firm circular motion, starting at the center and widening circle outside, that is to keep the skin clean. Then prepare the syringe for injection. Grasp the syringe in your dominant hand, close to the hub, holding it between thumb and index finger with the bevel up. For proper handling of syringe during injection and to avoid subcutaneous entry of medicine, we have to do like this. Then with the non-dominant hand, stretch the skin over the site. That stretching allows for easier entry of the needle and cause less discomfort for the client. Insert the tip of the needle far enough to place the bevel through the epidermis into the dermis at an angle 15 degree, that is parallel to the skin. So the angle of insertion of the needle in case of intradermal injection is 15 degree. And the outline of the bevel should be visible under the skin surface. Then stabilize the syringe and the needle with the non-dominant hand, that is to keep it in place. Then inject the medication. Assess for small wheal formation to verify that the medication entered into the dermis. Withdraw the needle quickly at the angle at which it was inserted. That helps to avoid spillage of medicine. We have to make sure that the medicine is injected into the patient. Do not massage the area because massage disperses the medication, and also dispose the needle and syringe into the kidney tray. Do not recap to prevent needle stick injury. And circle the injection site with the blue or black ink with the name and time of injection, that is to get accurate reading of the result. The golden rules of administering intradermal injection: the angle is 10 to 15 degree, needle gauge 26 to 27 gauge, spread the skin, that is start the skin, then do not rub or massage the site after medication administration, then watch for bleb or induration, then bevel should face upwards while inserting the needle. You can see in this picture the way the skin taut, and also the angle of insertion 15 to 20 degree, and do not aspirate or do not massage. Post procedure care: discard the syringe and needle into appropriate place according to universal precaution. Assess the patient to a comfortable position. Wash hands. Document medication and administration with the date, time, dosage, route, site and signature. Evaluate the response of the patient to medication.